We'll guide you through how to save an Excel file as a PDF. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So you want to go and save this as a PDF. Well, all you need to do is go to the top left and go and click on File, and then go down and click on Print. Now, what you want to do is firstly come into Settings, and you can choose if you want it to be Portrait or Landscape. In this case, I want it to be Landscape. And then what you can do as well is come down to Scaling, and you can go and choose if you want to fit it all on one page. So I can go and select that there. Doesn't really impact this document here as it's all quite small anyway. And to actually go and save this, all you need to do is go to Printer, and you can click on Microsoft Print to PDF. So essentially you're going to be saving it as a PDF and not actually printing it. You can then click on Print, and you'll go and get this pop up, and you can then choose where you want to go and save it. I'll go and put it on my desktop, and I'll go and just name it example, just like so, and press enter, and that's it. If I come onto my desktop, we've now gone and made it. I'll double click on it, and here it is.